What's good, YouTube? It's Wavy Fitness coming at you with another workout video. Today we're gonna hit some lat pull downs. With this exercise, it's definitely beneficial. You wanna incorporate this into your back workout. Most of the time, I'll do it on one of my light days. So I hit back twice a week. So let me show you how to use it. First off, we're gonna start off with a weight that's comfortable. See right here, it's on 10 pounds. Of course, that's too light. We're gonna go a little bit heavier. We'll bring it down to 80 pounds. That's my lucky number. We're gonna go ahead and adjust the knee pads, because as you can see, I can't lock my knees in. I'm gonna bring it up to a point where it's comfortable, where my knees are locked. Reach up. Now you can grab it on the inside or the outside. I like to grab it on the outside. All right? When you come down, you squeeze it back together. Do that for 10 to 12 reps. Alright, so the most important thing when doing this exercise is making sure that you fully extend, reach as far as you can, come back, and you squeeze the back together. Make sure you incorporate this into your back workout. Link in the description if you need a full back video. Make sure you comment, like this video, subscribe. Wavy.